is all this hanging lichen. It's called fruticose. Hangs like fruit. There's like two other like main species around here. There's crusticose, which you'll see on rocks mainly. It's like that green stuff on rocks. And then there's foliose, which kind of looks like almost like lettuce leaves on trees. And that's like the three type of lichen we have around here. So here, these leaves are from the tan oak tree, one of the more common oak species in this region, along with coast live oak, California white oak, and Oregon black oak. I was just educating him on how Douglas fir trees will taste like citrus because they contain a good amount of it, so the Native Americans used to use it in tea. There you go. Redwood sorrel. So all of this green out here, these clover looking plants are I guess part of the sorrel family, the wood sorrel family, and during the springtime they pop up with these pretty purple 5-petaled flowers.
How do you measure the height? I mean, like how do you know it's 300?
Well, because I climbed up there with Paige.
Sure. You baby? Nope.
Oh,
We
okay.
decided on our own.
Today that's what they would do.
Yeah.
So we are just finishing up here at Armstrong State Park, home of some redwoods. Hope you enjoyed our little nature talk today, and I hope to see you real soon.